Oh, hey, God.
There's no smoking here. Can you put some fucking underwear on?
Oh, shit. I didn't even realize I wasn't wearing any. I'm pretty f***ed up right now.
I came down to see what you've been doing.
Oh, not much, man. Your garden sucks. We've kind of just been sitting around eating stuff.
Who's we?
Oh, me and Steve.
Who the hell is Steve?
You know, the guy that kind of looks like a big, long dick, but he talks and slithers around his apple tree.
Me? That fucking guy again?
What's wrong with Steve?
He's not supposed to be here. That's not his tree. Wait, you said you were eating stuff. You didn't eat the apples, did you?
Oh, man. Did I? I ate like 20. God, they were so good. And they made me feel awesome. It's weird, because before I ate them, I didn't know my thumb from my dick. And all of a sudden, after 4 or 5 of them, Steve and I are talking about the universe and stuff.
Damn it.
Hey, God, where do you think the universe came from? Steve was saying there was like this giant explosion and shit was flying all over the place, and then all of a sudden there was stuff.
No, you idiot. I made it. I made the universe. You know what? It doesn't matter. I want you out of my garden. You can't
What?
stay here anymore.
Why, man?
Because you ate my apples and you let Steve in and you walk around all naked and you don't even clean up after yourself. You could at least trim some hedges or something.
I didn't let Steve in. And maybe if he gave us more stuff to wear, then we wouldn't be naked all the time. And I'm fine with being naked anyway. I'm ripped as fuck. And Eve? Did you see her tits?
Of course I saw her. I made her out of ribs and I made you to look like me.
I don't know, man. You don't really look as shredded as I do. Look at this six-pack. It's perfect.
You don't know the meaning of perfect.
Yeah, I do. I ate the apples, remember? By the way, this dick you gave me, this thing is tiny. Eve is already tired of me. She's been f***ing hanging out with Steve for more time than I'm comfortable with. I think she's cheap.
Listen, I don't care. I want you out. And take that bitch wife of yours too.
God damn you. You're an asshole.
I can't damn myself, stupid.